Hi everyone, welcome to GreenMonk TV. We are at the DCD London Converge conference and I am with Michael Rudgyard from Concurrent Thinking. Michael, Concurrent Thinking, you are founder and CTO. Who and what are Concurrent Thinking?
So we're a company that's just launching our product here at Data Center Dynamics. Our product's all about data center infrastructure management with a particular focus on energy management within the data center. Now our background is in the high performance computing space where we were building management systems to deal with very large high-performance computing clusters. About a year and a bit ago, we looked at the data center market and thought there was a great opportunity to map the software that we'd already developed for the high-performance computing marketplace over to this marketplace. So that's
okay. And it's obviously kind of a sexy topic right now, energy for data centers, but what makes you think you've got something different to the other data center infrastructure offerings out there?
Okay, so we've always had a rather end-to-end approach to either cluster management when it was an HPC tool and now data center management. So we really look at the whole energy all across the data center, whether at the distribution panels at the facility side, going through to rack-based power, going through to environmental management, server-based health and power, and all the way through to the operating system monitoring. So that gives us the ability to really look at the whole chain of energy utilization across the data center and really come up with metrics about IT utilization per watt, rather than focusing on metrics like PUE, which really is only the overhead relative to the IT load. So we can give a whole picture of everything going on in the data center, and I think that's going to be important really to get maximal savings out of data center energy usage.
Okay. You do, though, I mean, PUE, while it's a kind of a flawed metric, is one that is important for data center managers. You do report on that as well, though.
Absolutely. We recognize that people want to do certain things, and we give them all of the tools to be able to do the things that they want to do now, as well as tools that will help them moving forward as they look for further efficiencies.
So you're reporting to them on places where there are inefficiencies, so it's easier for them to find them and improve.
Exactly. So, for example, ill-used servers that are sitting there doing nothing, the ability to turn servers on and off on some kind of schedule. For example, if it's SME, they may have full capabilities to turn off servers in the middle of the night that aren't being used. Clearly, in some high-end data centers, that's not going to happen. When we can use technology such as Intel Node Manager to drive energy use down based on energy capping. We can look at environmental conditions within the data center, look at how to increase the crack temperatures so that you're going to get better PUE, etc., etc. So there's a number of tools, all the way from looking at IT loads and the efficiency of that IT loads through environmentals and other power, direct power savings.
Okay, and do you go beyond reporting into control?
Absolutely. So as I mentioned before, we can obviously not only monitor power, but we can control power through third-party PDUs, through the server IPMI capability, and we are working with Intel and Intel Node Manager to do things there. I think most importantly, we allow the user to define his own scripts to control parts of the data center parts of the data center that are controllable, so that the user can decide what he wants to do with the data coming in from our monitoring to control his system in a way that is all change managed, etc.
Okay. Great, awesome. That's been fantastic. Thanks for coming on the show.
Thank you.